Hi, this is TJ with netpicks.com and the Trend Jumper Trading Strategy. In this short video, I'm going to be introducing you to the Trend Jumper Reversal Trader. This is our newest and easiest way to get involved with the Trend Jumper. It features a brand new, easy to use setup that produces high percentage winners and is super easy to master. In this webinar, I'm going to show you exactly what the Reversal Trader can do, which markets you can trade with it, how easy it is to master for successful trading, but best of all, I'm going to show you a simple approach that's going to stack the odds way in your favor with a trend jumper setup that boasts a very high winning percentage, but also very controlled risk. Finally, I'll show you just how easy it is to get started. The Reversal Trader is a simple and effective trade setup based on easy to understand common sense principles. Take a look at this chart of any market, any time frame. When the price extends down away from an important moving average, represented by this yellow line, it always wants to trade back to that line, like this. The Trend Jumper Reversal Trader takes advantage of that phenomenon that happens on all charts and time frames, and it gives us structure on the chart. It shows us clear entries, clear targets, and gives us a chance to take advantage of that high predictable move back to that important moving average. As you noticed, every trade plots perfectly on your charts with exact entry, exact profit targets, and exact exit, as well as a plan on how to manage each trade. You see how easy it is to read this trade? You have your entry, your targets, your stop, and right here in the data window, you could see the numbers. You could see your entry, your targets, your stop. Nothing is left to guesswork. It's so easy to learn. Just one setup across all markets. Best of all, it has a very high success rate. The Trend Jumper Reversal Trader comes with well-tested trade plans, both standard plans and custom plans. You'll be able to get started with this immediately. And talk about return on investment. Some trades can pay back more than twice the cost of the strategy in a single trade. I'm going to show you a few of those in a moment. It works on many different markets and time frames. Forex, futures, day trading, swing trading. It even works with stocks and ETFs. You can use it as a standard approach, but you could also easily customize it. I've provided trade plans for both approaches. What do I mean by standardized approach? Well, it integrates perfectly with the full Trend Jumper strategy, or you can use it as a standalone strategy. Either way, if you're not currently a Trend Jumper owner and you've always thought about getting involved with the Trend Jumper, the Reversal Trader could be perfect for you. It's only one setup, it's easy to learn, and it's much less expensive to get started. Then, if and when you're ready, you can easily upgrade to the full strategy. The Trend Jumper Reversal Trader is designed to get you started right away. The software is going to plot every trade for you. You're never going to miss a setup. There's no subjectivity. It comes with clear and concise video-based training with plenty of walkthrough examples. You'll master the strategy in no time. It also comes with a private Owners Club website where you will find everything you need to get started. Complete training, trade plans, the all-important Steps to Trading Success guide that has helped countless traders. Moreover, we'll be updating the website with regularity with brand new tested trade plans. The Reversal Trader works perfectly on TradeStation, NinjaTrader, and MT4. The Trend Jumper Reversal Trader is getting some amazing results. Here's a sample of some of the swing trade results we've been getting with our custom trade plans. The pound US over 6,900 pips. Look at the profit factor, 4.55. The profit factor is one of the most important statistics that we need to pay attention to as traders. Anything over 1.5 is excellent. 4.55, well, that's amazing. Winning over 71% of its trades. The Euro US over 5,300 pips. The Aussie US 3,100 pips. How about the Euro Yen close to 6,000 pips? The Aussie Yen pushing over 9,000 pips. This is using the same approach, the same strategy. Check out the profit factors and the winning percentages. The Euro Yen winning 80% of its trades over the last 70 trades. And new swing trade plans about to be released. How about some of the faster time frames? Check out our 5-minute charts. We've got a couple great plans for the Euro Yen and the Euro USD. Close to 1,000 pips so far for each one, both of them boasting very high winning percentages and profit factors. The Aussie Yen, the Euro Yen. How about that 60-minute chart for the Euro Yen? You could trade it during the Euro session or the US session. Of course, you can use our tried and true trend jumper plans that we've been using in the trade room for so long, getting great results. But we also have custom trade plans for our favorite futures markets, like the Russell, like crude oil. If you can just net $50 net profit per trade on the Russell or on crude oil, you can quickly build up a $10,000 per month income. But look at the results we're getting from the trend jumper reversal trader. Well over $100 net average per trade. Consistency across the board, and it works on so many other markets and time frames. Okay, let's go to the charts and look at some examples. This is the pound US daily chart. The first thing I want to bring your attention to is the green dotted line. That's the jump line. That's the same indicator that drives the powerful trend jumper strategy. A trade that sets up above that line is normally going to give us a long trade. We're going to trail the dark blue line. Okay, so if a trade sets up above, that means we're going long, and that happens here. And when you click on the setup bar, you get the entire trade in the data window. Your entry, your targets, and your stop. Typically at target 1, we're going to employ some sort of trade management to either eliminate risk or lock in some profit. And then we're going to exit part of our position at target 2, part of our position at target 3, and then we're going to trail the dark blue line for the remainder of the position. So as you can see, this trade triggers in and it zooms right up to target 1. Depending on the trade plan, we'll lock in a certain amount of profit. So we'll move our stop from here, we'll lock in up to here somewhere, but we'll also begin to trail the blue line. And as you can see, it goes higher and higher. The blue line goes higher and higher, but then it falls back off and it stops us out right here. That may not look like that big of a move, but that was 200 pips per position. Here's an example of the Euro USD daily chart. Again, this is the trade plan that produced all those great results from the prior slide. These are the last 2 trades. Check out the one here on the left. Notice that it sets up below the jump line. That means we're going short. Look how accurate the target is. The trend jumper is very well known for accurate targets because it is tuning itself to live market conditions. When you're at the right edge of the chart, you don't know what's going to happen next. Nobody does. But if you can put the odds in your favor, you're going to feel awfully confident. Then it's just up to you to put on the proper risk and manage your trade appropriately. This gets to risk-free right here, and the next bar hits a target here where you're going to exit a third of your position. The rest of your trade comes out at the other side of this blue line for a completely profitable and safe trade. Notice the next trade's quite a bit larger. The volatility has expanded in the market. That one triggers in, gets to risk-free here, and now we're trailing the blue line, locking in profit. It ends up coming down right here and hitting a nice 183 pip target before it ultimately stops out up here for 150 pips times 2, the other 2 remaining positions. Okay, next up, let's look at the Euro Yen. This is a 60-minute chart. I colored it differently to remind me this is for the European session. Just because it's an hourly chart doesn't mean you have to trade it all day long. We use a concept called snapshot trading. We focus on a few hours a day to take trades. We don't try to take trades 24/7. This is a great way to trade the hourly charts and you get some really nice setups. Check this one out. It's set up actually before the European session, but we're able to pick it up once the European session starts, and it triggers in and it hits the entry. It's below the green dotted line, so that means we're going short. And look what happens. The stop is up here, and it totally holds. It ultimately is going to work itself down, down, down. I drew horizontal lines so that we could see the targets. It finally hits the second target here, where we're able to take a third off. It hits the third target here, and then it comes back up and stops out with the trailer here. This was a huge trade. In fact, I rolled back to the beginning so that we could look and see how big this trade was. made 130 pips to this target, 148 pips to this target. The trailer made 163 pips, 441 pips on one single trade on an hourly chart trading the euro yen with the trend jumper reversal trader. Trades great on futures as well. This is a chart of crude oil futures. We trade this every day in the live trade room with trend jumper. In fact, yesterday our first trade of the day was a trend jumper reversal trade. You can see it right here. We start at 8:50 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and notice that it took a few bars, and already at this bar, this red bar looking like it's going to come down and hit the entry, it's 8:52, so we can take that trade. Look what happens. Triggers in, goes straight down, hits its money management level, hits its target. Can it get any closer than that? Hits it perfectly. Then it comes up, is 100% successful, easy to trade, complete structure. It's the simple trend jumper approach to trading, but with just one easy to follow high percentage setup. Okay, by now I know you're getting the idea and you've learned most of what this is all about, but we'll look at one more example. This is the NQ, the NASDAQ E-mini. This is another very popular market. It can be traded with a smaller account size, and it works great with the trend jumper reversal. We start trading it at 8:30 in the morning. Let's look at today's trade. You can see that it's already 8:38, and here's a setup right here. So if that triggers in, it's a valid trade. We know we're going long. It's at 460, and we're going to go to the middle target, and it ultimately triggers in. It comes up. Finally, it zooms through. We're moving our stop up to eliminate the risk. One more bar, and it actually hits the target perfectly on the nail, and then it falls back off, and we take the rest of our profit below this green dotted line, and that's the end of the trade. And look how perfect that target was. And this is from today's trades in the NQ. The exact same strategy, nothing new to learn. So how can you get started with the trend jumper reversal trader? Well, let me tell you what you get. The trend jumper reversal trader comes with everything you need. All the software, indicators, the calculator, everything you need to trade this strategy, and you own it for life. Start to finish video training, carefully explained by me, the developer of the trend jumper strategy. You will be up and running in no time. We've created this so that you could start quickly. The Owners Club is full of developed trade plans for multiple markets and time frames. You have 100% access to the Owners Club for life. No reoccurring charges, no additional fees. And you can look forward to new and updated trade plans on a regular basis. Not only that, but you'll find walkthroughs and 100% total support. Support is something that NetPicks is well known for, and you will be getting the highest level of support on the reversal trader like you would with any other NetPicks product. Not only that, but this is the lowest price entry to trading with the trend jumper. You can learn the strategy with this one setup and get into the trend jumper at the lowest possible price imaginable. I showed you the results to some of the trade plans. Take a look at them again. You're going to be able to trade multiple Forex trade plans, both day trading and swing trading. A whole list of futures plans as well. More on the way. So here's the Trend Jumper Reversal Trader Charter offer. The Trend Jumper Reversal Trader, all-inclusive, all markets for MetaTrader, TradeStation, and NinjaTrader is the one-time lifetime ownership offer of $497. The Reversal Trader will be selling for $697 before too long, but we're going to give you a $200 rebate at the point of purchase. Just $497, one time only, and you own the Trend Jumper Reversal Trader for life. Ready to get started with the Trend Jumper? Here's how you can start right away. Just type this link into your browser or click the link below, and you'll be able to download everything you need immediately. And while you're clicking on this link and getting your order in, let me quickly tell you about our money-back guarantee. It's a no-risk money-back guarantee. Try the Trend Jumper Reversal Trader. Prove to yourself how it's going to quickly move you to trading profitably. If it's not as straightforward and powerful to trade as we say it is, then simply contact us and request a full refund in the first 30 days. No questions asked. You have everything to gain and absolutely zero risk. But I know you're not going to return it. These results are real. This strategy works. This is a powerful trend jumper setup, and you're going to love it. Take advantage of the $200 rebate and get the Trend Jumper Reversal Trader for just $497, all inclusive. Here's the link again. Just type it into your browser or click the link below.